Dongguan Jiesen Mechanical Technology Company Limited, Jiesen Tech in short, established in 2019, is a comprehensive high-tech development enterprise integrating R&D, design, manufacturing, sales and service. At present, the factory has passed ISO 9001:2015 and BC certification. The company specializes in the production of CNC machining parts, casting parts, bending parts, stamping parts, laser cutting parts, and plastic injection parts. These products are widely used in mobile, intelligent terminals, aircraft, automotive, industrial, electronics, and home furnishing industries. Adhering to the business philosophy of innovation, development, focus and win-win, we create competitive, stable performance and high technical content of metal and plastic customized products. Best-selling products include mobile phone holders, laptop stands, tablet PC holders, and other metal mounts in the aerospace field. In the future, we will continue to help customers develop cost-effective, efficient production and design solutions to meet the needs of end users. At the same time, with the enterprise concept of continuous innovation, from technological improvement, brand image building and corporate culture construction, to achieve a new leap from traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing.